Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. Once again you find us in the kitchen and I think it should be quite obvious what we are making. We are making bhindi with aloo, something that our neighbors taught us and I liked it, so I try and make it as often as you can. नाज़रीन खुश आमदीद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर एंड एजुकेशन फॉर अस ऑल। देख सकते हैं क्या बनेगा। ये है जी भिंडी और भिंडी के साथ हम बनाएंगे आलू। ये रेसिपी मैंने एक पड़ोसी से सीखी थी या मेरी मामा ने सीखी थी, तो आज आपके सामने पेश करेंगे। Okay, so what we're going to do is basically cook the things separately and then put the things together. So in this pot we've got some oil that has been heating up. Can we put the onions in there, please? Okay, so we are going to cook the onions for about 5 minutes so that they're lighter. So as you can see, we've got onions cooking in there, and we're going to do the same over here. So basically we're going to cook the potatoes on this side and the bhindi on the other side, and basically make the paste with the potatoes. Okay, so they're all, well, I mean, I'm going to put all the spices into this one, but if you prefer, you can put some of your own in that one as well. नाज़रीन, मैं तमाम spices वो इसमें डालूँगा, potatoes वाले में भूल गया था आपको बताना। ये हैं हमारे spices. As you can see, we've got chilies, we've got a garam masala, we've got turmeric, we've got salt, and we have genu freak. And to garnish, of course, we always use dhania, and we are going to use some green chilies as well. So that is optional because they are quite spicy. So we're going to give the cooking about 5 minutes and then add the next ingredient. Okay, as you can see in this pan, viewers, the onions are starting to brown. I didn't really want them that brown, so we're going to add the tomatoes in there. Can we add the tomatoes, please? Okay. So let that sizzle away. And in this one, it's absolutely perfect. So can we add the bhindi, the lady's fingers in there? Okay. नाज़रीन, इस पॉट में हम भिंडी डालेंगे और इसे फ्राई करेंगे और इसमें मसाला और आलू तैयार होगा। फिर हम इन्हें एक पॉट में करेंगे। Okay, we're ready for the masalas in this now, please. Okay, give that a good mix. So, you know, the skill is in the paste. So, do keep adding a little bit of water if it sticks. So I think that needs a little bit of water because it's sticking a little bit. नाज़रीन, अब हम मसाला तैयार कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी ताकि स्टिक ना हो और help you. Okay, keep an eye on the bhindi as well, please. Give that a stir. Okay. We're going to keep eye on the both the things. We're going to give this 5-6 more minutes. So viewers, if you find that the bhindi is becoming rather sticky and too much watery, one hack trick is to put some lemon on it. नाज़रीन, ये ऐसे देख सकें भिंडी का पानी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, तो इसका हल ये है कि थोड़ा सा lemon juice ऐड करें. Right, the paste is coming on nicely. So in a few minutes we'll add the potatoes. Okay, we're ready for the potatoes. So I've already half cooked these, but if you want them more harder, then that's up to you. We like them nice and soft. नाज़रीन, मैंने ये potatoes half cook किए हुए हैं. Okay, हमें soft potatoes पसंद है. Okay, so we're going to give that about 6 minutes. That's turned really nicely फ्लेवर्ड नाउ। नाज़रीन ये देखो जी, जब मसाले आलू पे हो गए हैं और अब ये हम भिंडी वाले बर्तन में डालेंगे। Okay, and we'll move that to the middle. Okay, so the masalas and the potato are in. Can we give that a good mix, please? So once that's mixed in, we're going to put the chilies into that, the green chilies. This is optional, of course. नाज़रीन अब हम green chilies डालेंगे। अगर आप ये नहीं पसंद करते तो आपकी मर्जी। Can we give that a little bit of a stir, please? And we're going to cook for about 6 minutes. नाज़रीन मैंने देखा अभी तक भिंडी नहीं गली, तो इसे 6 और minutes देंगे। There we have it, viewers, our aloo bhindi masala curry. All that is left to do is to garnish it. So can we add some coriander to that, please? So we're going to garnish it with dhania, coriander. That looks delicious. It smells delicious. I'm sure you will try it. And can we add the genuine, please? Okay, that is the final product. I do hope you will try it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please press that bell icon. Please subscribe to the channel. Please tell all your friends, family, all the people on Facebook, all the people on WhatsApp about the channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. नाजरीन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। उम्मीद है आप भी मेरी रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे। प्लीज़ अपने दोस्तों को, अपनी फैमिली को, फेसबुक वालों को, व्हाट्सएप वालों को, सबको लिंक आगे भेजें ताकि मेरा वॉच टाइम इम्प्रूव हो सके। अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़, अल्लाह नेगेबान।